built our towers toward the sky, yet forgot the stars above. We learned to measure every moment, but forgot the weight of love.
Running faster than tomorrow, searching places never found. All the noise became our prison till one heartbeat broke the sound.
Close your eyes, hear the silence. There is still a light inside. You were never born to fear. You were never born to hide. Every dream that still remembers keeps the universe alive. Stand together, rise forever. Let compassion be our flame. Every soul can change tomorrow. Every heart can change the world.
When one hand reaches for another, history begins again. Hope is not a distant miracle. Hope is simply human.
No throne is higher than a peaceful heart.
No victory greater than lifting another soul.
No future brighter than one built together. We are the last light that darkness could not silence. We are tomorrow, already breathing today. No borders, no hatred, no fear. Only humanity walking toward the stars together. Across the mountains, across the sea, 1,000 voices awaken in me. Different languages, one heartbeat inside. Together we rise with nothing to hide.
Every hand can build tomorrow. Every soul can light the way. When we stand as one together, night becomes another day. One heart, one horizon, one future shining bright, one dream. Together we become the light. No walls can stop tomorrow, no fear can break our flame. The universe is calling, we answer in one name. The violin sings of hope unending. The contrabass carries every dream. Every child, every nation, flowing like one endless stream. Rise together, stand together, dream together, shine forever. The stars were never meant for only one. The sky belongs to everyone. One heart, one horizon. Every voice becomes
carried every dream the night had hidden, until the dawn remembered who we are. Every tear becomes another light. Rise beyond the horizon, where the soul becomes the sky. Nothing breaks the human spirit, nothing teaches us to die. We are echoes of creation, born from fire, born from light, standing at the edge of heaven, standing at the edge of heaven, learning how to truly fly. The violin remembers every lifetime. The contrabass protects the beating earth. Together they become one living language, a bridge between eternity and birth. No mountain higher, no ocean wider, no darkness stronger, no darkness stronger than a fearless heart. Rise beyond the horizon, leave the fear beneath the stars. Every heartbeat builds tomorrow. Every soul already shines. We are more than flesh and memory, more than time could ever see. At the border of the universe, we become infinity. We become infinity. Behind closed eyes, 1,000 storms were sleeping. Behind quiet smiles, 1,000 dreams were waiting. Every scar became a doorway.
Every silence held a flame. Deep beneath forgotten shadows, someone whispered my true name. Lift your head.
The sky has always known you. The wind remembers who you are. Break the sky, break the silence. Let your spirit rise again. Every chain becomes the wing. You were never made for prisons. You were born for open life. Spread your heart across the heavens. Take your place among the stars. The